See? You can see here.
When he poops, you have to dry it first. Like, you
Yeah.
just leave it for now.
We just dry it up first, and then we wash to get the beans out in here, and then we roasting to make a luwak coffee. They eat also like a papaya or banana. So, they're actually a vegan.
Yeah. So, yeah. So this one is not just Arabica. This is a mixture of
combination
everything.
Combination of another thing.
Oh my God.
And then the Arabica and then the Robusta. But majority are Arabica.
Look, here I am holding a poop.
Yeah, so
The
once you
most
got the poop,
expensive.
the poop is gonna be a lot of colors. Like black, yellow. Special, the taste is really nice.
I wonder the first Balinese person to discover that, like, the luwak poop coffee. Like, how did he arrive to that conclusion?
It's long ago, like a 1970 years
Did
ago.
he?
Yeah.
Maybe he accidentally.
Yeah, accidentally.
You think?
Yeah, accidentally found out that the coffee is nice.
So, what's the difference? Just the same?
The different. This is Bali coffee from the Robusta coffee. This one from the poop.
The poop?
Yeah.
Wait, let's save that for later.
Alright then. What do you think? Try again. Ever have in Philippines too?
Yeah, we don't have that.